You can't say me never warn you. You can't say me never tell you. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from jamtoursafrica.com family. You know what I mean? While I was driving, coming family, I was thinking to myself and saying to myself that a lot of you guys, Jam Tours don't wish bad for nobody. But, you know what I mean? I am just here for guidance and support. After tested and tried, you know what I mean? After go through the process and still there.
In 200 meters, turn left to Northern Bypass.
Still me actually, you know what I mean? My first youth is actually in school right now, family. So, me just want you guys know and understand, you know what I mean? That when you come to Kenya and Africa is not like the West. You can go and pay for something and expect to get it just like that. You know what I mean? I saw the system set up and me make it. I saw it set at the moment, family. You know what I mean? So it's up to you if you want to come. You know what I mean? A lot of people will come and say they want to jump out and do it by themselves. But trust me, the price you pay for that is, you know what I mean, it's going to cost you. You are going to actually make bad decision. You actually are going to make wrong decision. You actually
turn left to Northern Bypass. In 5 kilometers, keep right to A2 towards CBD.
Cover, you start to realize that yes, you want it. You know what I mean? You're going to maybe buy a property where you're never supposed to buy it. You're going to do a whole lot of stuff, family. You know what I mean? So come in here and do it by yourself. Trust me, just expect, say, the price you're going to pay for that is regret. You know what I mean? So, for those who come in and feel like, say, you can't just come with your money, and because you have money, you know what I mean? Cash is king. Cash is not king over here, so family. Knowledge is king. You know what I mean? And, follow somebody that walked the road already. That is a smart idea, family. So not because you have your money.
Speed bumps ahead.
And just, you know what I mean, everything will just unlock to you like that. What is it going to cost you? You're gonna be overcharged, overpriced, and you're going to be taken advantage of. And by you look and quint, you realize that you make bad decision, your money run out, and you have to scrabble to run back to the West. Because I see a lot of men come here and have to go back. People in Tanzania COVID time do a whole lot of stuff, and you know what I mean, them there and get work permit and get all kind of thing. And them still have to go back because, you know what I mean, after a while, it's not sustainable, family. You know what I mean? It's not sustainable after a while when they start to live to the reality. You know what I mean? Life in Africa is not all about book work and your PhD. A lot of people come here with them big education they get from the West. Guys, that's nothing, yes sir. That's like you come in, you know what I mean? That's like nothing. So you come in saying that you have your PhD, your masters. Oh, I should be able to go through this. I should be able to do this and do that. Trust me, you're gonna feel it. You know what I mean? In Africa, is practically to work it. Practical stuff. Hands-on. You know what I mean? Not something like that, you know what I mean? You see, you can go on the internet and research and all kind of these things. Those things don't work. You can find information, yes, but most of the information you find are not the full information. You know what I mean? Are not the full information. This is what I say, family. So, Jam Tours there, and you know what I mean? Study and see what the Chinese them do, and we follow them pattern. You know, when Chinese come in Kenya, you see them drive them big vehicle and them have them business and go about them business. You know what I mean? There's no question. Nobody can ask them nothing, and you can't tell them nothing. You know what I mean? So if you don't know that system, we have to go through right now in Africa to get through. Trust me, you're gonna in a problem. You know what I mean? So this is just my message for people who come in and feel like say they can just come and just, you know what I mean, run out and do things by themselves and expect say you know what I mean, when you know where see people come here and then come here happy. And when them go back disgruntled. You know what I mean? Because when them take a stop, they never expect say Jam Tours can there and show you everything. Everything nice for me because me go through the process, family. Me there and everything nice. People every time somebody come and ask me, Jam Tours, how you do it? Every time them ask me, many times them sitting in the car and each time them think them I thought about how I actually get through and be doing all what I'm doing here. That's all I'm been asking. You know what I mean? So that's why you have to understand. that I go through the process and when you see me show on video, nobody feel like say it happen to you like that. Nobody feel like say I come here and it happen to you, because what me I do and there's something me just get up and just come in Kenya and just do it like that. You know what I mean? There's a lot of thought, there's a lot of actually ways, there's a lot of study, I have to actually study a whole lot of thing. A whole lot of little small things that you feel don't matter, that matter a lot. You know what I mean? So you guys have to understand this family. You know, a lot of people will come and end up in a bad situation. I mean, I wish bad for nobody, but me actually
speed bumps ahead.
And I'm just saying that to say that when I see jam tours there, you know what I mean, still have my thing to do, because we just a start life. So I just want to make people know, so me just a start life family. Me not start life yet. Me just a start. Me you them never like, you know what I mean? Never reach 10 yet. Just a start life. Me never start yet. And at the starting line, me there right now. You know what I mean? So when a man come and see jam tours, that dream thing. But I feel like see your jam tours rich and have all the money in the world. Me just like you. It's just because me know how to do my thing, and that's what I'm trying to teach the people who come. You know what I mean? I'm trying to teach these things to people who come so them can have the same success what me are going to have in the next 10 years. You know what I mean? Success no guarantee, but it's actually, if you're disciplined enough and you actually understand that you're in a new country, there's things that you got to learn. You cannot come to your whole way of style from the West, because nothing in the West works in Africa. You know what I mean? Africa is totally different from the West. You know what I mean? The West is just plug and play. Over here, so you have to actually, you know what I mean, create something for yourself. You know what I mean? Yeah. You have to find your own unique way of doing things. You know what I mean? You can't come and copy jam tours, because, you know what I mean, jam tours already, this thing is not copyable. You know what I mean? So you have to come and carve out your own lane, and can help you do that. And for you to do that, you have to have the basic. The basic thing is to get your KRA PIN. The basic thing is to have a bank account. The basic thing is to have a car if you can afford one. The basic things is to get immigration consultation. The basic thing, all of these things, you know what I mean? These are the basic. And then after you have the basic, now you have connection to register your business, do whatever you want to do, family. You know what I mean? You know, you have the right attorney who know the system and know to work around the system and do the thing, family. You know what I mean? You might come here and go up online and find some other professional, big tapanarist people. You know what I mean? And when you take a stock, I know people come here and wait for them permit how long and can't get it. You know what I mean? A jam tours, them have to call for me to actually make my attorney expedite it for them and make sure it's everything. You know what I mean? Because there's the thing, guys. There's profession that there's 3 things you need in a life, family. You need a doctor, which is my own. I am my own doctor, because now, you know what I mean, I'm into health. So I'm going to try to understand basic health to make sure that I don't get sick and I don't have all of these ailments and all of these things. But instead, you need an attorney. The second thing you need an attorney, you need an accountant. You know what I mean? So you definitely need an attorney to guide you through this professional way in Kenya. And that's what jam tours. But you think I can do all of this seamlessly, and I can do it. You know what I mean? If somebody come and say a jam tours, I'm going to give you this amount of money to start this business. Boom, boom. In space, I'm money it up and running. And customer. The first thing we do my business, customers start come, family. You know what I mean? Because I understand the thing. And even the online thing, even to make your business, viewable upon Google right now. If you go on Google at that Jamaican restaurant, and my thing come up. You know what I mean? You go on the internet, you type tours, jam tours come up. You know what I mean? You might type real estate, my website come up, family. So just to show you, say, you know what I mean? You have to understand, there's many pieces and bits that make up, you to be successful here. It's not all about you coming with your money and, you know what I mean, and say you have all of these information from the West. That don't work, so you have to unlearn and relearn when you come to Africa. And that's the thing most people don't want to do. They want to come with the same mentality, and that's why you see most of them coming to Kenya and they'll end up going to another country. You know what I mean? Because they realize, Kenya not work. It'll work for other people, but it not work for you, because you feel like you can come with the same mentality from we have in the West. You know what I mean? So we just want you guys know that. You know what I mean? So today, guys, in this video, I have a brother come from St. Martin. As you know, guys, today the guys are celebrating the Bayesian Independence Day right here in Kenya. And you know what I mean? And jam tours, them always invite us to their events. So I have a brother that came in. I want jam tours to pick him up to actually give him a tour. We want to go to the Maasai market. You know what I mean? So people coming to Kenya just for the basic. You know, but you know have to open up them eye to the reality of what is happening in Africa and how they can get a piece of it and not just, you know, watching it passing them by family. Because, you know what I mean, Africa gonna pass a lot of people and the boat are gonna miss a lot of people and them are gonna be shocked and regret. You know what I mean? But trust me guys, we're there and we are doing the thing, and you just, you know, if you tap in, link up, go to the website family, jamtoursafrica.com. Book a one-time lifetime consultation. You don't have to pay nothing.
In 500 meters, use the right 2 lanes to stay to the right to A2 towards CBD.
And then actually family, you'll be able to ask Jam Tours any question. You know what I mean? I will help you and connect you to get, you know, all of these important documentation that you need to be legal in Kenya and doing whatever you need to be doing. I can actually help you with all of these things, family. So one-time lifetime consultation form is to tap into Jam Tours information, and you know all the experience that I experience in Kenya, I'll pass it on to you. And as you guys know, that experience teaches wisdom. So if you can learn from somebody's experience, you earn wisdom without actually you have to be paying for the cost for that experience. You know what I mean? Because nothing in life is for free, family. There's always a price you got to pay for success, and most people don't understand that. The price you pay for success is failing. You know what I mean? Failing and actually, you know, hoops and obstacles, and you learn from it and you move on. You know what I mean?
Keep right to A2 towards CBD.
Family, because a lot of things me go through. Imagine you have everything in a Ghana. If you see how you live in Ghana, you come to Kenya, you find a woman who you love and you want to marry and thing. You bring her to Ghana and she say, yo, you know what?
In 900 meters, keep right to A2 towards CBD.
Everything and give you everything and come to Kenya. You come to Kenya now, you have to rebuild again, you find another, you know what I mean? Another piece of food to set up. So nobody feel like, say, when you come to Kenya now, all of these experiences I'm teaching you. So if you actually link up with Jam Tours and take that one-time consultation, you know, say, if you think you go Ghana, you think you go South Africa, you think you go any of this country, I used to Jam Tours.
In 500 meters, use the right lane to stay to the right.
Yeah, so Kenya is very Pan-African. Kenya is like in the 90s. Kenya is just the best place ever. You know what I mean? There is no crime and thing. It's safe and, you know what I mean? Yeah. And you hear these information from Jam Tours. All of that save you buying your ticket, going to Ghana, buy land and all of these things, buy, you know, all of these things, it save you. So all of that money where you have, you just come and dump it in Kenya, because you know say Kenya the thing there. You know what I mean? So all of these things you guys will learn. I talk to a lot of people and
keep right to A2 towards CBD.
Coming over now to Kenya, because them going to South Africa and them going where them go and them use up all of them resources and it not work, because most of these places is still like you're living in the West. Them still go through them situation and you get caught up in it, you know what I mean? So as the thing said, family, so you guys have to understand and know that, say yes, when you actually come to Kenya, you know, say, yo, you have your piece of food, you link up with Jam Tours, and you think set. You know,
use the right 2 lanes to stay to the right to Professor Wambarai Mathai Road.
So I say, family, so that's why you need to book with Jam Tours, family, because when they are sell you some ebook and some actually, you know what I mean, something we have to download. Maybe they are doing practically Jam Tours there, I do the thing. You know what I mean? I drive around every day, I find new ideas, I find new spots, I find new experience, and I bring it to you. I'm not here selling you something, you know what I mean? I'm selling you reality. When you come with Jam Tours, you tour with Jam Tours, you see exactly what we do. We connect with all of the people, you get into my network of people, and that's it. You know what I mean? Everything open up to your family. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that's all. I just want to make this information out to people.
In 2.1 kilometers,
you know what I mean?
exit to the left to Uhuru Highway.
You can make the right decision, family, and not just to actually, you know what I mean, running around like a headless chicken. And when you lose your head, you start crying and bawl and say, oh, you know, Africa do me this, we go there and it never work. Because, you know what I mean, a lot of people that come, you already have a little things you set aside if you do your thing, your retirement and thing. And once that blow up, you don't have a second chance. Because most of the time, you already work out yourself in a Babylon 9 to 5. You know, you can't go no more. You know what I mean? So for you to go back to rebuild, I know it's a hard situation. To come and fail is not even an option, family. You know what I mean? So this is just my message to people who's coming, you know what I mean, you want to come, actually link up with Jam Tours and see if you can get hands-on help and the ground help, and not just you come in trying to do things by yourself, because trust me, it's gonna cost you, and the price you're gonna pay is actually using up your resources. Alright family, so one love, God bless, Jamaica, I'm out.